Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dine with Diaz, and today I'll be taking you to Chili's. All right, come along with me. Let's get it. I have secured the bag. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so the first thing I got was the triple dipper, and I got the viral Nashville hot chicken fried cheese sticks. Oh my gosh, those look so good. And then I also got the, I think they're called some egg roll. I forget what's inside. And then the Chipotle honey chicken crispers. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try all those. And then I also got a half order of the Texas cheese fries. It's got jalapenos, onions, no onions, I'm sorry. Cheese, fries, jalapenos, and bacon. Yes. We got plenty of dipping sauce. This is some avocado egg roll dip. And then we got 2 ranches for the other things. And then for my entree, I got this gigantic burger, and it's called, doesn't even say. So look how freaking gigantic those patties are. When I tell you, oh my God, that's huge. Look at that. Can't wait to dig into that. Comes with lettuce, tomato, cheddar cheese, onion. Yes. Bun, super soft. And then for the side on that, I got some Mexican corn. Oh my gosh, look at that. Comes on a stick. Yes. Look at all that seasoning and everything on it. Can't wait to dig into that. First things first, we're going in for the fried cheese Nashville hot. All right, opening up the ranch. Oh yeah, look at that. Get a good dip in. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Here we go. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Going in for another. Make sure you have plenty of ranch. This is so good. The cheese is so thick. So good. I gotta finish this whole thing. It's amazing. The Nashville hot, perfect combination. And you do have to ask for these. It's not on their menu. So I ordered them online, and then I called and added the Nashville hot. Mmm. So dang good. Oh yeah. Ten out of 10 for sure. Guys, if you hear noise in the background, it is my AC. It's almost 90 degrees. First day of September, so still gotta have it. Got my Quick Trip Coke Zero. Shout out to them, sponsor me. All right, next we're going in for the egg rolls. All right, it looks like an avocado ranch or something. I don't know if you can see the tint on there. All right, going in. Nice and crispy egg rolls. Yeah, nice and thick sauce. And these are some thick egg rolls. That's what she said. Mmm. That is amazing. If you guys have ever had dumplings, or even like crab rangoon, the consistency of the crisp of that's exactly what these are. So good. Mmm. So this has beef, beans, corn. I think they're the Mexican egg rolls or Tex-Mex egg rolls. Yeah, I get enough of that dip. Mmm. The crunch of the egg roll makes it. I love the puffiness of it. All right. I'm over here making a mess. I asked for plenty of napkins. And I also had to ask for utensils, plasticware. What's up, maybe? Okay. All right. Last but not least, on this triple dipper, we got these Chipotle honey chicken crispers. It's like chicken tenders. All right, we're going in. Got some ranch. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Cheers. Mmm. Oh yeah. The sweet with the heat, perfect combo. Mmm. Nice and crispy. Good breading. And then all white meat, chicken inside. Oh yeah. Definitely get this again. All three of these, 10 out of 10. So good, especially that Nashville hot fried cheese. Oh my gosh, you get 3 of them. It's delicious. All right. Now we're gonna try some of these Texas cheese fries. And if you're not a fan of jalapenos, you can get that off. But I'm trying it as is. All right, get one of these jalapenos in there. And these are the jalapenos that you get like on nachos, so they're really not that hot. They're more pickled jalapenos than anything. So on the Texas cheese fries, I mean, it could be a little hotter, but so the fries are a little bit soggy, which is fine, but I mean, it's not great and nothing special about them, so. Let's get some with all this cheese on it. I love me some jack cheese. And we ain't using no fork and knife here. We're just digging right in. No judgment. Pretty good. Nothing special. Your run-of-the-mill cheese fries. I like cheese fries in general, so I would order them again anyways. But I mean, if you've had them before, it's nothing special, so. All right, let me get this last bite. Before we get into that burger, I just want to talk about, thank you for all the support you guys have given me. My subscribers go up every day. It's really awesome of you guys. Always watching, always thumbsing up. And if you're new here, make sure you go on over, hit that subscribe button. Go on my Instagram, follow me on there. It's dine with Diaz _KC. And the KC is obviously because I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. Oh, you get 2 of them. Damn, I thought you got 3. Look how thick that is. Next time I'm gonna get like a full 6 order of this. Look at that. I can't get enough. The Nashville hot is just an awesome add-on. This is Labor Day weekend. Hope everyone's staying safe, grilling out, having fun. Not working, enjoying your family or animals or whatever you do. All right. Next, we're going in for the entree. Get the mammoth burger over here. Man, they are not playing. Big bite burger. Like gigantic burger. All right, cheers, here we go. Oh yeah, that's a really good burger. And you can get it cooked with still pink in there, with well done, and then I just said no pink because I didn't necessarily want it well done, but I don't want pink in my burger. Look at that, gigantic. Good flavors. Like I said, it comes with lettuce, tomato, onion, red onion, which I usually don't see that on a burger, and that's a really good combo. And cheddar cheese. You can tell it came fresh off the grill. It's got that good smoky flavor. And this has to be over a pound of meat. I mean, this thing is huge. I have big hands, and this burger is gigantic in my hands. Oh yeah. Now that's a burger. I'm not gonna lie, Chili's is not usually on my radar to come eat at whenever I'm going to eat out somewhere. But this, I kept seeing stuff on social media, especially about those Nashville hot fried cheese, and they're onto something, because I'm about to come back here. They are not disappointing. All right, we're going in for the Mexican corn. This is a good sized piece of corn too, huge. All right, we're gonna rub it in this sauce. All right, here we go. Time to get messy. Nice grilled corn. This is like an elote, which is grilled Mexican corn. Great flavors here. I'm a big fan of corn on the cob, and this is hitting the spot. And usually on elote they put mayonnaise, tahini, maybe cilantro. Yeah, this is a good combo, great flavors. Super good. I'm glad I chose that, because I almost did just plain French fries, and that would have been kind of lame. Very messy. All right. I can't really do a price breakdown because they didn't give me an itemized receipt, but for all this with tax, I paid $45, which really, this is like, I mean, a lot of food. So if you went out to a restaurant to eat, this is pretty on par with what they're charging right now. So definitely recommend it. Go try them, especially those Nashville hot fried cheeses. Oh my gosh, so good. And if you like a burger and a big burger, come here, because they are gigantic, over a pound of meat. Don't quote me there, but I mean, just from holding it in my hand, it's huge. And if you're a fan of Mexican corn, come try this out. It's so good. But that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I really appreciate you stopping by. Remember, wherever you are in the world, be kind, and I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.